trigger assembly. It's quite easy. We've got two different settings. We've got a magnet which pulls the trigger forward. Also, we had some people say they wanted a stiffer trigger, so we actually put a spring, and this is a spring plate here, which also returns. Now, if this is too hard for you, what you can do, you can take this spring plate out, which I'm going to show you how to do in a minute. Okay, we're going to take the spring plate off. It's just two screws. I don't know if you can see this. Can you see that, Jace?
Yep.
Just undo your screws. The screws should fall out. There's one's still in. They should just fall out with the plate, which you can actually just push it out back. There we go. That's the plate out. The spring's still in there, so you can take the spring out if you wish, and you can put this back on the gun now and use it with a finer trigger. Now I'm going to actually take the magnet bracket out. This again, it's very easy. There's a screw, one screw. Just undo it, pull it out, and then if you just push the trigger forward, that will actually, I don't know if you can see that, and that is out now. That's okay. Put that in the pot. We're now going to go straight onto the trigger. Again, it's a lovely trigger assembly. It's just two magnets. Sorry, not magnets. It is two bearings either side of the trigger, just held together with two point screws. Just undo those, and there is your trigger.